Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a 2014 Mazda CX-5 Touring. The stock number is A6947 and the color is Soul Red Metallic. As you can see, this is in excellent shape. You've got a great chrome accent here on the grille. Hood is in excellent condition as well. There is an alloy rim and that is wrapped in a 17-inch Advanta tire. Inside, you have a black cloth upholstery, and that's in fantastic condition. There is seating for 2 up front, and you have seating for 3 in the second row. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. Coming to the back, you can see you have the Sky Active Technology logo here. Inside the trunk is very clean. That second row seating folds into a 40-20-40 split, and you do have a set of carpeted floor mats back here. And the reason that I'm shooting this video for you today is because I would like for you to see every angle of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. There are power lumbar adjustments. To the left of the steering wheel, you can see you have some additional controls. Taking a step inside, left of the steering wheel, there are audio controls. On the right-hand side, you have cruise control buttons. There is a push-button start here. Over to the center, you have a CD player, an AM/FM radio, and you've also got capabilities for Pandora radio. This is where your backup camera will display. Underneath of that, you have your climate controls, and this is a 6-speed automatic transmission. If you'd like to get more information on this Mazda or to schedule your test drive, visit holidayautomotive.com. We will also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.